How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. Behind me is Dr. Dre, my 1994 Mercedes S500 that we've been going non-stop on for the last few weeks. Just been grinding it out. I really want to see this car finished off, at least mostly the way that I want it. And I've got some finishing touches that are going to make this car look amazing. And we're going to put those on. It's going to be a pretty quick video, but I'm excited about them. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So, like I said, this is my 1994 Mercedes S500 W140. So as you know, I've had quite a few of these cars and quite a few of them on the channel, but this one here is going to be a special one. So today what we're going to do is go ahead and put that very iconic Mercedes badge up front there, our emblem. We're going to pull off the parts car. We're going to go ahead and put some corner lights in. I picked up these clear ones because I kind of wanted to see how they're going to look. I think it's going to go with the look I'm going for. And this is what's going to offset the car from everything else. I've got our V12 front grille that we took off a parts car a long time ago. It was bent up. I unbent it the best I could and did a nice gloss paint job on this with a clear coat. And then we're going to go ahead and polish out the frame and put it in the car and just see how it looks. I think it's going to look absolutely amazing. And I've got some other things we're going to do to the rear of the car, but this video I'm just going to focus on this. This car is going to come along, guys. It's going to look absolutely amazing when I finish it, and we're going to have a really cool unveiling of it at a car show this month, hopefully. So let's get on it. Let's get these things put in, and I'll show you guys how everything looks. Well, guys, everything is installed and we are one step closer to making this car look exactly the way that I want it to look. Now, I gotta say, this task was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, especially with that grille. The grille was all out of whack. I had to hammer it up and then kind of get the bolts to finally align, and it pulled it, and it looks really, really good. I did not think it was gonna bend out that perfect. I am very, very satisfied. And I gotta admit, I was very skeptical about doing the black grille and about doing the clear corner lights. And this was the advice of Xavier. He said, try it, see what it looks like. I think you're gonna love it. And I gotta say, after I put it on, I pulled the car out into the sun. I am absolutely loving it. I think everything flows perfectly. I also went ahead and polished our emblem. Now the emblem was blue here, so I gotta tell you, if you have one of the blue emblems and you use a heavy polish on it, that blue will come off, but I am very happy that it did. I think it came out amazing. And look at the shine on the chrome around this grille. Guys, I'm loving it. It's exactly what I wanted. It's pulling together. It's a very clean looking car. Everything is looking very classy and clean. That is exactly what I wanted. Now, it's not for everybody, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. You might love it, you might hate it, you might be kind of up in the air about it, but guess what? This is my build. I'm enjoying it, and I hope you guys are enjoying coming along on the ride. You guys have an awesome day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next video.